Greetings. Imagine how you'd feel about your business if you could walk out at the end of the day and say to yourself, I have the very best team possible. Is that just a dream, or is it your reality? Recruiting, managing, developing, motivating, and retaining good team members is by far the #1 challenge of practice owners. The cost of an unproductive employee and turnover are the single largest hidden practice expense. And while there are lots of good books on the subject, and even a seminar or two available on various aspects of human resource development, never before has there been an entire conference devoted to this most important subject, until now. For the past 30 years, Kleinman Performance Partners has been assisting our clients with developing the very best teams possible. And on October 17th, we're going to share the results of our learnings with the first ever National Optometry Team Building Conference. Please take a careful look at our curriculum and speaker lineup. During this full-day workshop, you'll learn how to develop a winning culture, recruit the best candidates, prepare new team members for success, develop a meritocracy that focuses on results, and reduce costly employee turnover. Nowhere else will you find this comprehensive approach to the team building process. If you're challenged with any aspect of the people development process, now is the time to gain the knowledge you'll need to take this monkey off your back. Click on the link and register today.